Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can find the yarn from the inside of a skein. First, check where the outside yarn goes. Usually it goes in the skein. Want to pull that out because you don't want to accidentally pull that one when you're searching for the inside yarn. Put it away. Then put your fingers in, one on each side. You can feel that one side is bigger. In this case, this side is bigger. Roll it so it gets more room inside. Then you can put your thumb in as well. And then you find a yarn and pull it out. And then you have a little too much, but not that bad. Then just roll it around the skein. And you can start it. Thank you for watching.